this angle. I think you can see my dead Kennedys. Dead Kennedys. Okay. Anyway, what's up, everybody? This is Holly Rocks. I have my screen at a different angle, so it's like, where do I look? Where do I look? Okay. Just sitting outside. That's what I'm doing. I'm just sitting outside by somebody else's pool that they've tried to lock up like Fort Knox. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in. It doesn't matter. So, anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. How's everybody doing? I'm in a great mood today. I don't know what the fuck my problem is. I'm poor as fuck. I don't have a home. I don't know why I'm so freaking happy. I don't have anything. My car's in Missouri. I ain't got shit. But hey, I'm loving life. I'm alive. That's the most important thing. Thanks for watching these videos. The next series I've been working on, are you a pro-mask? Are you anti-mask? I've been covering some different stuff. So just tell me what you think. And drop me a comment, suggestion, like, share, all that stuff. Help me grow my channel. I will mucho appreciatio you forever. Thank you. See you later. Bye.
My God, this is it? It's a little bit more organic than I was expecting. You do this for fun? I feel like I'm on an episode of Fear Factor. Okay, which one of you forgot to pack the cell phone reception? What did you expect me to put this thing on the ground? It's a Louis. The only green thing it touches is money. Smells like a little bit of like the balsam fir candle I have from Bath & Body Works mixed with decaying flesh. Okay, this is giving me like pilgrim vibes. I'm gonna need a little bit more 2020, a little bit less 1643.
All right, so we had to move camps because it's supposed to storm again, and that river has risen. So we were down there between those trees, and we moved everything. They were so nice. They wrapped our wood, but look, let me see if our little friend is in here. Look at little baby. Look at little baby. It's a little baby. Aww. Oh, it's got a hurt leg, honey. Oh, it does. It is hurt. It's okay. Oh, go ahead. You can stay there. It's all right. You can stay there. What would you do? What do you want to do, honey?
Don't talk to me about that. Seriously.
You don't like them?
Don't fucking talk to me about that. What do you want to do?
With the mice?
Yeah.
With the mouse. There's a mouse. Chip is scared. It's scared out. Yeah. Well, I don't want to let it go because then a hawk might come and get it.
we posted this shower video, we got a ton of comments from people wondering why we don't have a house and wondering why we would choose this life. Let me give you some backstory. In 2019, we left our luxurious apartment in LA and decided to buy something smaller. We bought this Dodge Ram ProMaster and converted it into our new home. This is the van that you guys have also come to love on here and that we've shared many videos of. And yes, we brought our cat Lucy with us. We work full-time as travel photographers, and here are some of the things we've been able to do while on the road. We watched the sunset in the Grand Teton, danced in Alpine Lakes, flew over Banff, watched the sunset over the Grand Canyon, and hiked in Scotland. We also went dog sledding, skydiving, hiked to glaciers and saw glacial pools, soaked in some hot springs, and finished every night with some good laughs in the van. We've stood under the Milky Way, snorkeled on islands, hung with polar bears, explored Southeast Asia, snowboarded in Canada, biked in arches, and swam with manta rays in Bali. We chose this life, and for right now, we wouldn't want it any other way.
Okay, so we've got biscuits and gravy, breakfast skillet, fresh bacon. Chip was finishing up the bacon, some delicious tea, just to look at our camp set up. Bow, bow. And then we left the mouse have his own over there. Yep.
Allison. Oh my God. You hate to see it. Allison, look at you. Mallory.
I'm not even looking.
I'm not even looking. Don't, Mallory, don't even look.
You hate to see it. You do.
Mallory, you don't even want to look.
Alright guys, I know it's hot as fuck right now. That does not mean let your guard down and when you go into public not to wear a mask. I am seriously a fucking gas station in Kentucky and like nobody is wearing masks. So, that being said, that's your choice. If you don't want to wear a mask, you don't wear a mask. But when you go into a public place, just put the mask on. So here's right there. You see? You don't take chances. It's just not worth it because you will get sick. There's going to be a second round of the virus coming. There's also another flu, like a swine flu that's emerged. So don't take a chance. Like I said, I'm camping, so when I come in, you know, I'm mask covered, and yeah, it's crazy. People look at me like, what the hell is that girl doing? Well, when I go in the store, I don't want to freak anybody out. Y'all don't know where I've been. You know, you say New Orleans to some people, and they're like, you know, and then I've been up to Pennsylvania, and I've been traveling, you know, keep staying away from everybody because we've been camping and stuff like that. But still, when we come into town, we want to feel safe too. So please, cover your face when you go into a public place. I don't care what you do at your house, your yard, your parties, your car, whatever. But when you go into a gas station and it's obviously very crowded, you're just asking for it. So just remember, be safe, all right?